In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get desktop site on your iPhone. Be sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Safari web browser and then just let me open up some website. Let it be youtube.com. You can type in youtube.com and hit at go, and by default you will be taken to the mobile version of youtube.com. As you can see at that status bar, it shows us youtube.com, but if we tap on it, it will show us m.youtube.com, which means that now we are currently at mobile version. In order to switch it to desktop version, all we have to do is just find that two characters icon at the address bar, and then we can just tap on it, and in that menu we can easily find request desktop website. If we tap on it, what that will do, that will switch the website to its desktop version. Now we are at youtube.com. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.